Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart virtually at Mackay Elementary in Tenafly, New Jersey, even though I'm based here in Michigan where I live. It was a beautiful day getting to interact with everybody online. And the main focus of today's message was positive life choices. But the biggest positive life choice we can make is to be our best self, right? Be your best self. And for this week of respect in 2020, it reminds us to be our best selves, right? To really take care of others, to take care of ourselves, to take care of this place, to give respect for as much as we give, that we're gonna get it that much more. And like the bracelet that I have here that I pass out on many occasions, it does say, be your best self, right? And when we're thinking about doing and really living our absolute best, that's knowing that we need to talk positively to ourselves. And then once we do that, we need to go out and encourage others to really be their best. But also know along the way that if we make a mistake, it doesn't make us a mistake. If we fail, it doesn't make us a failure. The opposite of success is not failure. It's quitting and it's giving up. And so many people have failed before us. I've failed over and over again. But if we keep pushing, if we keep persevering, if we keep trying, we're gonna finally get to the goal that we want, right? If we just keep giving our effort. We are responsible for the effort, not always the outcome. But if we're giving it our best, we're probably gonna get the outcome that we want. And that's what we really tried to focus on through different video clips, through different hip hop songs, different poems, different chants, different picture slides and stories of people that I've interacted with all across this country that are understanding that yes, sometimes things are tough, things are difficult, but if we just keep trying and keep going, we're gonna get past it. And that's why the shirt that you see for this talk, Keep Your Head Up, is upside down on purpose to always remind us to keep our head up and think positive no matter what. Thanks for touching my heart. As always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Check out my website, link to know more about my journey across this country, and look at the playlist of videos just like this one that hopefully will inspire you and touch your heart. And always remember to hit the notification bell as well to get notified for future videos just like this. Peace.